Hey guys, welcome to this new video. For a change, I'm showing you how I use my latest fashion croquis template, a new product at my Etsy shop, wherein you can use as a template for your fashion illustrations or just, drawings for fun. So you start with printing the pages that you'd like to use. In this case, I think I'm using the first page for the set A of templates, and then you start with marking the back or any part. Either you can use the back or the front of your page to mark with a pencil you like to use. I just used a 2B pencil because I don't want my marks to be too dark. And then I trace on the side where I like my composition to be, and yeah. You just continue to trace and remember which parts you have already traced, because it can be hard to see your pencil marks, because I made sure that the drawing, the templates are dark enough so you can also use it as like a tracing image for your light box, for you guys who use light box. And yeah, you guys should make sure that your template is securely placed on your final paper, because I had a problem with it earlier because I keep on moving my template paper. But then again, you can make it work by making corrections. So after that, you can then be creative and put on the clothes and the background and other elements that you'd like to include in your fashion illustrations. Like for instance, here I just included a pot of flower or a plant because I really like to have something green in my illustrations. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get more creative with the templates that I made. They're very easy to use, and if you're not keen on drawing figures, then this should be the perfect fit for you, templates. Because I know you're more interested in colors and designing clothes and rendering those fabric textures and backgrounds. I've been there. I wanted to go straight to drawing those clothes instead of like practicing all that figures. So yeah, I hope you love this. Thanks for watching.